Morning, guys. So today, morning. Uh, so today we're gonna be looking at JJ. Let's see what JJ has for us. So firstly, we'll go to Forex Factory and check what we have. I think we have some files for the pound today. Today is the what? Today is the Wednesday. Mm, So we quite have some files today for the pound. So let's see how React Native file already came out. So most of them came out positive. So oh shit. See. So firstly, you go to your, let's go to the daily and see what it has been doing. Today the pound just pushed, rejected the level at the bottom side and just pushed all the way to the top. So try to create support. Right now we are heavy. Yeah, buys. I think it's gonna go up. Like it's. I'm looking for buys too. Still. So I already caught some on the Asian session. So let's see how the London, are we going to keep going up, or are we going to have some sort of retracement? So the daily currently is currently bullish, pushing to the top side. We created some sort of support. Uh, the 4 hour, the 4 hour, we created some sort of support over at this level. I'll just remark my areas again. Some sort of support over this area, and we have this resistance which we created over here. This resistance which we created over here. This resistance broke out from this resistance, and now we're here, possibly targeting this level. If we break out from this level, we're going to head to this level. So right now, if you can look on the 4 hour, we're currently pushing up to this top side, and I think we're going to break this resistance that was created over here to continue pushing up. But I'll just scaling, currently looking for buys, but we have this resistance level, support resistance. Are we going to respect this place and possibly push all the way back down? You want to get to the lower time frame to look for those confirmations. For those who took the buys early, good for you. And this is the hourly. So let's see the hourly. See the hourly. We have some. We created some sort of, that's the hour support over here this level. Then right now we are approaching some this level of resistance which we saw on the 4 hour time frame. Let's just go back to the 4 hour. We had this resistance over here. Are we going to respect this resistance and possibly push back down? Because this is a strong level too. Price got to this level and rejected this level. So are we going to get a close above to know we're going to push up? So let's just scale it down. From the Asian session, had buys from this level all the way. Yeah. So let's see what the London has for us. Are we going to possibly have some sort of retest to push back up? Maybe or maybe not. We have lots of clean candles over here, so I'll just readjust these levels. I'll just readjust these levels. Then right now, if you can see, we can see this level of resistance which is being respected. So like you want to see a close above if we're gonna go up or if we're gonna come down. But ideally, I'm really looking for buys, but you need to be looking at what's actually happening in the market so your buyers can change at any time. So before taking trade, you need to see. And we had this file just came in. We just had the news, and the files just popped out right now. So let's see how the market is going to react to those the news. But although I'm looking for buys, this candle, this is the hourly candle. Then let's just go to the 30 minutes and see. We just created some sort of mini support over here. I'll just mark that area. We had some sort of mini support created over here. Then I'll just go to 30 minutes and just keep marking my areas while I move. We had this level of mini support over here. This is the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, I'll just go and just put this over here because I'm going to be using based on this is the new resistance which is being created. So right now we're just in the mini range. About how many pip range? Just in the mini range. If price closes above this level, I think we're going to shoot. So, but right now we're just still reacting on this level. But I think the the pound is gonna keep pushing up. Or if we don't respect this level, if we break this level, this mini support, then we're gonna crash back down. So let's see if we respect this level. Same for we're talking yesterday. If we respected the mini support, yesterday we respected that resistance. I think where was it? We respected some levels over here. This was yesterday. I would say if we respect this level, we're gonna probably gonna crash and just oh it was it I think it was yesterday. This was the level. We're expecting this resistance that was created and we had some mini support. If the mini support was broken, then we're gonna be pushing back down. Same now, we having this level of resistance over here. If it's not being respected, if we break it, we're gonna push up. But if not, if it breaks back this level, we're gonna push back down. So let's see. Because I'm saying that based on the higher time frame. If I look at the higher time frame, look at the 4 hour, we are respecting this level of this level, we're respecting this level. But although we're pushing past right through it, but let's see how it actually works or how it plays out. Although I'm looking for buys. Is London gonna keep pushing or is London gonna just drop? So right now, see those levels? We're in a range, just a few pip range. Right now, created mini support. It's only ideal we keep pushing 15 pip range. So are we gonna respect this level or are we just gonna just switch back down? So you wanna see. Let's see. If we're gonna respect this zone. So patience is just the key. Let's see how we're gonna react on this level. But although I'm looking for buys, we just created higher highs. This, then we created this, then we created this, now we created this one. This new support. Let's go back to the 30 minutes and see. We're having momentum. Lots of green candles. We have about six of them. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven of them. Let's see how we react on these levels. GG, I'm looking for buys. Buys, possibly this level first, then possibly target this level. 19 pip. So let this candle close. I hopefully will close above this level. Just keep pushing up. So we're just gonna be really patient. Really patient. There's a lot of volatility, so I think we should just have that push. So I'm going to be anticipating the next candle, the next 15 minutes candle. I'm going to take entry at the break of this candle, or if we close above, because we're respecting this level, are we going to respect it? Because we're having this strong bullish momentum. If you look at the 30 minutes, we're just having that strong momentum. You see green candles. That's when you know there's momentum. Green, pushing all the way to the top. But we're going to respect this level. Why I said this level is based on the 4 hour. That was acting, this higher time frame was acting as a form of support to look at the higher time frame. This is the 4 hour. Look at that level which is marked out. This level, we have support over there. This is support being created. So we're going to respect this level. Like this kind of got over here and just rejected and came back down. But now we're trying to push up. Are we going to just respect that level? Let's see. But I think we should be pushing to the top. It only makes sense. I'll just go to 15 minutes and see. Yeah, should be pushing. Entry at the next. This is momentum. Entry is gonna be the next candle. If it breaks the high of this, a very short stop loss, potentially push up. 11 pip stop for possible 36 pip gain. Very nice. Yesterday we were talking about the card, so like just today I was just like looking at the card and seeing why we rejected that level. For those who like, that's why it's good to secure profit. Like I got to an extent I just like secured profit and I was out. Because when I went back to the 4 hour yesterday, I was looking at this zone which really reacted. This level is a strong level. Price reacts to every time. This level of support and resistance. And once we tapped in, we just rejected. So I want to see if we're gonna respect this level because we're just making higher highs. But like I want to see if this drops all the way down, that means this was just a fake out. This was just a write off, or ideally we're supposed to push up, or we're just having some sort of retest to push back up. But yesterday we really had no. There was no point for this to just drop down. But if you look at this level, we had this is a very strong level of support and resistance. We tapped in and we just rejected. Now we back down. So let's see how the USD CAD do. I'm not really looking at it. Yeah. Immediately we got there, I exited my trade. I don't waste time on my trade. So let's see if this candle breaks this high. This candle breaks this high, I'm going to be taking an entry. If we break that high, I'm going to be taking an entry because I'm looking for buys on the break this high, I'm looking for entry. So let's see, stop loss below, aiming for the top. Just so my magic key is just about to execute, and we're about breaking. So let's see, I'm just gonna activate, see if we break. This is the final 15 minutes. So we haven't broken the highs. If we break it, I'm just gonna execute with one click. Just one click. So anyone have any question, just drop it on the chat box. I think we're gonna break it because I'm looking for buys. Oh, activated. Activated. Oh, this is nice. When we get to this level, I'm gonna be securing for sure. This level, just put the mic. This level, I'm gonna be securing partials. So we just broke the previous this level, so let's see how we react on this level. We should keep pushing. Yep. GG, let's go. Are we going to respect this level? Just go back to the 30 minutes. Stops below. Let's see how this plays out. I think we're going to be shooting. GG. Let's go. So you guys, it's going to be a nice week. But yeah. Let's just see how we react on this level. We just broke this all-time high that was here before, so it should just keep going. Securing partials will get to this level. Then let's go back to the 4 hour and see. This is momentum. So let's see. This was a 1 hour. This is it on the 1 hour. We close above this level, that's good. But I'm just looking at the 30 minutes still. I'm looking at the most recent. This is the 30 minutes. This level. Where is it? It was 1 hour. If we close above this level, for sure, we're gonna keep pushing. So let's see what happens. trading style. Let's see, morning. This candle is about closing 8 minutes. So let's see how do we gonna react on this level. I think we should flip back bullish. Euro GBP. I'm currently on this trade. Stop loss below the previous 30 minutes. So let's see. Overall, I'm looking for buys. So Euro GBP. What are you thinking of Euro GBP? Euro GBP looks bearish. Damn. Man, we'll look at this area. We're gonna respect this level. We broke out from resistance. We broke out from this resistance. No, 4 hour. Let's just go to the 4 hour and see. My eye still on my trade. Buys. Give me a sec. Give me a sec, guys. I'm just correcting something. Zoom out. So let's see. The 15 minutes. Give me a sec. Okay. So 4 hours. I will possibly we broke up from this resistance right now. I will possibly having some retest to go back up. Let's see. I'll just mark this area because I'm really concerned about this level. This level. Same on the same on the let's just break it down. Say let's go keep going to the hourly. The hourly. Look at this level. Are we having some sort of retest on this level to continue pushing back up? But we have a bearish momentum. I've not really seen the confirmation for buys for me to take buys on this trade as I can see it right now. This is the hourly. We're just printing bearish. So I've not really seen confirmations for buy to take buys on, right now on this trade. So I'll just keep scaling down and just keep going. The 30 minutes. Now we just broke the previous 30 minutes high. So ideally for me, I don't really think it's very possible. Let's see if we react on this level right now. This level of resistance, which is broke out from. Are we going to respect this and continue pushing back up? But right now, confirmations for no, I don't use. No, I don't use Twitter. I used to have a Twitter account, but I don't. I just have my Instagram and yeah, I don't use Twitter. So confirmations for buy. I don't really see those confirmations for buy on the Euro GPP. If you can see, we're just having bearish momentum to the downside. Looking for buy, you want to see the confirmations for buy before taking buys, if that makes sense. Are we going to respect this level to continue pushing back, pushing? But if we respect this level, look at this level. If it breaks below this level, I think we're just going to crash. I think, because left from what I can see, I can't see like the bullish, the buys be taken by except we respect this level. But if we don't, I think we're just gonna go down. We're just having bearish momentum to the downside. So I can't be looking for buys at this moment because it's not. I can't see the confirmation for me taking buys. Let's look at the 50 minutes and see. Still, 50 minutes. It's just bearish confirmation. We're just making lower lows and lower highs to the downside. But look, we're creating some sort of support over here. Are we gonna respect this level? This level that we can see right now. We're gonna respect this level. If we do, yeah, we might push up. But left for me, I don't see. I don't see a buy setup as at right now. So let's see. But currently I'm on the GJ buys right now. We're just playing, but I know we're looking to the top side for sure. So let's see how it plays out. Yeah, it's very like that's what I'm saying. I'm really looking at the I'm really looking at the this level. If we respect this level, then we're possibly gonna just have the reversal to push up. That's if we respect this level. I want to see if I'm looking for buys. I want to see a healthy bullish candle being formed. I don't want to see like look at this bullish candle that was formed. This one, this is a weak confirmation for bullish candle. I want to see something like this being formed over here. Then I'll be confirmed. Okay, we're gonna the trend is switching that we're going. I can't be seeing something like this and be coffee with buys still. It doesn't make sense. Like in my own opinion, I want to see something like this. Healthy candle. I want to see something like this. Healthy bullish candle actually being formed over here. Then that's where the patience game comes in. That's where patience games comes in. Are you patient enough or you just want to be aggressive to just take this, oh, you think it's gonna buy? Yeah, it's up to you, but like I want to see those healthy candles. When you see, I mean healthy candles, I mean stuff like this, stuff like this, not stuff like this. This is a weak one. I can't see this and be taking buys. Look at the candle, how it formed. This was a weak confirmation for buys. So, let's see. JJ, I just, come on, let's go, let's go. If that makes sense, that makes sense. You want to see the healthy candle. There's a difference between where you just see a confirmation, you just see a weak confirmation, and there's a difference when you see the healthy confirmation. Like a healthy buy confirmation is where you see stuff like this. You see this kind of support being formed, then you know, bro, you're pushing. This is healthy, not stuff like this. I think it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna go down. I think, in my own opinion, that's if we don't respect this level. This level, I think that's even too wide. How do I adjust this level? Oh no. Let me just give some adjustments. Just adjust that level. That level is just really too. This level. Or are we just going to retest? Just touch this level to push up? I doubt it. This is heavy. Let me even look at the top. Why we rejected that level? This is really high on the euro. We got to this level already. Let's just go to the daily. Come on, man. Just break the previous highs and let's just keep going. Come on, man. Come on. Let's go. Uh, man. We rejected this level hard. And look at the daily candle. The daily candle just printing bearish and we just keep going down. Look at this. The previous day we rejected this level hard and we came down and look what's just printed. So ideally look at what's happening then you see. But look, be careful about this support. I think we might tap this support for reversal and we might just break it down still because of this. If you look at what happened over here. Look at the previous. We had this rejection, and look at what this candle just did. It went all the way back down. We had this. Look at this rejection. Then what do we have? We have this, and we came all the way back down. Now we're having this, And look at what's happening right now. What do you think this candle is going to do? Are we just going to head back down? Very possible. So you need to be careful about that. I think like if I go to the 15 minute, I think we've broken that support level I drew out. You see, I was not seeing confirmations for buys, so buys were not like really, really ideal. If that makes sense. Look, GJ, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Does that answer your question? Like, do you get why I like looking for buys? You want to see those healthy candles. I think sales are really ideal for the euro. First, target this level. Why I said this level? Because we're having a trade based on support and resistance. Those key levels. Because once one is broken, its price is going to approach the next one. It's just like magnet. It's just going for the next one. It's looking for what the next area to go touch. The next area. The next area. I expect this thing to shoot. When we get here, I'm going to be securing partial because I always like securing partial. We cancelled it. Let's see how it reacted over there. You see, I don't know where you had your buys from. Left for me before if I see this bullish candle, I would have taken a trade, but this was me before. If I see this is just a weak confirmation. Like me saying this is very unhealthy of a bullish candle, very unhealthy. I want to see stuff like this. Then I know, okay, yo, we're going. But I can't just see stuff like this and like, yeah, cutting losses short. I think that's really ideal than just. I think you want to see those bullish candle being formed. Then okay, bro, we're going, or we're going like this, or we're going like this. But it hasn't formed. Then what's the point of me just thinking it's gonna flip and I keep losing money? I just most times I just try cut loss shots, just cancel the trade and just I'm out. Yeah, so we're approaching the London Open very, very soon. So my buyer still buys. So let's see what how it plays. It's just the first 4 minutes. So let's see what this candle does. So let's see. Yeah, GJ needs to. Yeah, uh, so that's one thing about trading. Like sometimes when you're least patient, that's when it actually goes like in real speed. But when you're like, oh, you're not patient, or when you're now you just want it to happen, it actually goes really, really slow. But if you have the right setting or you're in the right place, I think we should just the right place at the right time. I think you should just keep going your direction. That's why you plan and see the probability. What's the probability of this happening? Is this making sense? Is it making sense for me to be in this place? Is it making sense for me to be in that place? Like, you need to scale things. Yeah, I broke the previous, so I'm still on I'm still very, very bullish on this trade. So let's see. Uh, who's in the states right now? Is there anybody from the states right now? I think the states is just going through a lot in terms of the economy. Oh, you're in Houston? Oh, nice. Houston. I hope you support the Houston Rocket though, because that's sort of my favorite team, the Rockets. Not much. I took a buy at 134.910. I would have taken a buy earlier, but like I got into the chart really, really late, and I'm really pissed. because normally I come in early, very early, and just plan out my stuff. But like I got in here late, so 134,910, 134,910. Oh, some guys haven't had like nice entries. You should be deep in profit right now. If I was here, just 115. Oh, let's look at the hourly. The hourly is still deep and still bullish. So let's see. Let's see. 20 pips. Yo, I think some guys are having a good week already. I like that. What is euro doing? Let's check the euro. Let's go, GJ. Ideally, I feel it. When I'm taking profit, I just first get the ideal areas, which I know we're going to have reversals for some sort of retracement to continue going the other direction. So that's why I put this line first. I'm going to secure when we get to that level. Secure. Just secure 80 or 90%. Very necessary. Very, very necessary. There's nothing like securing profit. Let's go. The hell? I need those moves, man. Come on. Do it for me one time. Let's go, boy. Anyone with any other pair idea? My own opinion, I think the best time to trade indices is the New York session. New York session and London. But like the New York session, the London session, I don't really look at this. Heavy rejection. USD CAD. Yeah, let me just go check that pair again. Let's see what it did. You rejected that area at the top side. I will possibly just come on. Let's see. Push back up today. Oh no. USD CAD is dropping. It tried going up, but let's just go back to the 4 hours. I don't know, for those who were on the chat earlier on saw what I said about that area. Come on, man. Just keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. USD CAD, where is it? USD CAD. Look at this area. We got to this area yesterday and we respected that area. Why? Because look at this level of support and resistance. Look at this level. See how price got to that level multiple times when we tried going up, rejected, and we're coming down, rejected, rejected, rejected until it broke. Now we broke out from this resistance which we're holding for a long time, for months. We broke out, we got to this level, psychological level, and it just rejected. And now we're back in this level. So two things now. Are we just gonna have? Are we possibly having retest? I was thinking we're gonna have retest, but it came past down the level I was hoping for retest. So I'm not really looking for buys at this area right now. Rather, I'm on the sell side. I'm on the sell side because it did not just retest. It just came back and went back into the level of resistance, and now it's back and doing its shit. So I think it's just possibly going to form the M or whatever people say, double bottom or double top. I don't really look at that while I'm trading, and possibly head wherever it's heading. But bearish stems, that's what I see. I was thinking it was going to reject, but it did not. So let's go, boy. Let's go. I take profit this level when it gets there. I think it should be good. Oh wow. For those who are looking for buys, if you were, yeah, your GP is dropping. I told you that buy confirmation was weak. Possibly gonna drop to this level. Get to this level, have some level of rejection or whatever because of this. But I think it's just dropping. They did not respect this level, so what do you think? I think it's just gonna zoom down. If that makes sense. So let's go back to ESD CAD. Yeah, good thing you got that on time. That's the best thing. Cutting losses short and just go GJ. Uh, what was I saying about CAD? Where's So CAD, I'm on the high note. I was looking for sales rather than the buys. We rejected this level, and I was really pissed. We rejected that level. I thought we were just gonna go, but now we're back on the sell. So I think possibly I'll just go based on if I draw my those key levels for long term area where we're gonna get to is this level for sure. We're gonna get to this level. For those who took the sales early, this level, then possibly just drop down to the weak side. But I'm just drawing this based on the 4 hour. 1 hour we just broke the support that was created over here. Then I think here's the card is sales. I'm not looking for buys on the USD card. It doesn't make sense. Break this level, then she just keep going down. An aggressive one also even though market execution can do, but like where's your stop gonna be? Your stop is gonna be here for possible push down to this level. Depends on you. Depends on you. Or possibly you drop back down to this level. Because before I take trades, you want to be looking at your stops. You want to be looking at your stops. So, so London opens in 15 minutes. Let's see. Jesus. I didn't need news. Because while I'm trading, anytime I'm in a trade, I try to go check if there's any new news. Because one news like this can just change direction of the market. So you need to be careful about news still. So let's go, boy. I know we're going up. So just this is I love when I see stuff like this. Stuff like this. I get really happy and excited. Uh, here is the cat. Here's the cat is gonna drop. The cat. Let's go to the daily. Can you see momentum? This is momentum. This is momentum to the down. Like taking buys. That's some RIP shit. Uh, the London opens in 12 minutes, and this is a strong bearish candle. Strong bearish candle. So, nah. Just keep, just flip. I'll be right back, guys. Just grab. For those in this trade and for those in profit, I just appreciate a like on the like button. Thank you, guys. And let's see how it plays. I'm strongly on the buys, not on the sells. Like London is about opening, some fake out happens. So, oh, nah, shit. Yeah, I took buys in Asian, but left for me, like, I'm trying to just, what the, why does this music play like so randomly? The hell? Yeah, I've not really got that courage to start holding my. Someone said big tune. I don't know why it plays so randomly. That's weird. It just play. I've not really had the chance to start holding my trade to like the next session. That's one thing I'm trying to work on. But I think if I keep because I'm looking at this thing, it goes by direction, but it depends on the pair you're trading. Some pair some pairs just go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Like something like GJ can go buy this session, next session can go sell. Some sessions, like some pairs, like the odd AUD USD, if it's crashing, it's crashing. Some pairs just go one direction. Some just depends though. But I don't really look at some pairs, so I just stick with what I have. I don't like this rejection. Why are we rejecting this level? Doesn't make sense. I don't like this close. 6 minutes. Are we gonna get that flip? Some breakout traders just got stopped out for sure. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like how I was looking. It just broke the previous 15 minutes low. Well, we're approaching the London session. I was just gonna get that fake out, just keep pushing. Uh, trading is patience. Oh, you see this patience thing? You really need to have. If you're really sure of what's gonna happen, and if you don't have patience and you really get frustrated in trading because I feel most people with this move that just happened, although I'm looking for buys though, with what just happened, I'm sure most people will already close their trade. I used to be guilty of that stuff before. Then I see this trade just goes back my direction. I'm like, what? So I tried just before taking trade, I tried know my risk. Okay, yo, bro, I'm risking this certain amount in this trade. If it goes south, I'm gonna lose this. If it hasn't gotten to that stage, then why am I closing? I just closed and lost. So well, let's see. We have 4 minutes, 3 minutes to London Open. So let this trade go crazy. Am I supposed to play this song? Just for the stream today. Bring it back, GJ. Come on. I don't like this close. This is really turning. Like, I don't like this at all. It closed on this same level of resistance on the 30 minutes. I don't like this. I don't, oh wow. I don't like this rejection at all. The fact we broke the previous 15 minutes, I'm, I'm gonna just close half of my position, but I don't like that rejection from the top side. Nah, I don't like this. Respected this level still. I don't like this. I just closed half of my position, so I don't like that. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, you need to trade it for ability. You need to, because you see that the 30 minutes is closing bearish. The confirmation for this is just closing with a support. Like this starts. Oh, are you going to start closing some positions, or are you just going to take all the L's? I don't like what just happened. If you look at the previous 1 hour, look, although it was bullish though, but this was now like a weak. This was a heavy rejection from the top side back to this side, but it closed bullish. We still have this support being respected. But let's see the 30 minutes. Let's see. Hopefully, we'll respect that zone. Just still on this trade. Once trade is going south, it's left for you to like, okay, what's you look at probabilities of so many things happening, right? But I'm looking for buys. A lot of fake outs happen for this open. So okay. Yeah, I'm still looking for buys. Like I'm still looking for buys. I didn't close my trade. Oh my god. Look at Euro GP. Wow. I think this should just keep going. JJ, why you do some people like that, man? Let's see. Man, I hate when the market's really slow like this. Euro GPY, I'm always gonna respect this level. GJ, I just want that push. Just give it to me, man. Yeah, I think we should start pushing now. Soon. I can't move the market, but like, damn. Someone just said, oh, that's good. Someone just said, GP is tanking down. That was funny. That was really, really funny. Oh my god. I just laughed hard. Someone just said, GP is tanking down. You see, this open, not just open, I think this was just a fake out. Like, before the session opens, so I think another thing I should be looking for is to like wait after the session opens. Let's see what it does then or anticipate trade. If we break this high, this previous 15 minutes high, yo, we're going. If we just break this high, I might add one more position myself, but like, I don't think it's worth it anymore. I don't like entering from the middle or whatever. I like entering from the nice areas. Man, GJ, I need this move. Just break this high, then I should just be comfy. Damn. Let's see how it plays. If it breaks this previous 30 minutes, or like if it breaks this level, then I don't like that. We're just rejecting the stop side. No. If it breaks the 30 minutes low, I'm gonna be exiting my trade. If it breaks this low, few pips below this low, this previous 30 minutes, I'm gonna be out of this trade. 6 pips. I would have taken nice entries from this area. Wow. You see, it respected this area. This level respected this area. I did not break above this resistance. So the next candle went up and closed below inside this level. So sales are not really making sense. This candle did not break the previous high of the 30 minutes. And if we break the low, then you should be looking for sales rather than the buys. And look how the last hourly candle closed. It closed really, really weak. I did not like this. Look at the previous hourly candle. Look at this. I was not too comfortable with this. Now look at this. I don't really like what I'm saying. So I don't like just what's happening, the rejections that's happening over here. We did not break above. Uh, I don't like the. Oh nah. So I just got stopped out. Yeah, now I'm looking for sales. Those buys are not valid anymore, in my own opinion. Yep. Yeah. Minimized risk and just did the right thing. Like like I explained why I am looking for buys, right? Look at this level. We did not close above this level of support, this level of resistance. This kind of got here, closed back down. Now this same thing. Nah, I'm not too comfy with the buys anymore. I was looking for buys, but it did not play out as planned. I just took market execution based on the stop. I think what's my entry? Just check. That was my entry. Where is it? Stops above. Now I need to go plan my take profit now. See this level. See this level. The 4 hours about closing. Are we coming back possibly to just close or reject this level? Let's see. 4 hours is rejecting. back to this support. You see, when your bias change, you need to plan when your bias change so you won't be just stuck and cut losses short and just do the right thing. Rather just holding your trade and just saying, oh, it's gonna go like this, or it's gonna look like that. No, what the fuck is this? See the hourly rejection, rejection, rejection. Oh no. Yeah, I lost 6 pips. Then now I just increase my risk on this one. Then my lot size hopefully just rise down. Uh, if we expected this hourly support, if we are closed above, yeah, we might be pushing up. But we expected this level, so rejection, rejection, rejection 3 times. Woo, I like this. Euro GP is really retracing hard now, so we're going to possibly respect this level. But at that point, for those who were looking for buys at that time, that was just, you would have been finessed really, really hard at that point. If you took your buys from then dropped all the way, I think it dropped how many pips down? It was 10 pips. That's not hard. So oh god, let's go. Let's go. Euro GP, I think it's flipping now. Euro. Uh, it's flipping, it's rejecting. This area was off. Wow. We get to this level of this support, I'm going to secure 80%. Then possibly right back down to the support. We rejected that level multiple times based on the 30 minutes. 15 minutes is weak. Rejection, rejection, rejection. I was not liking this at all. Ooh, let's go. What is this, baby? Yeah, you change bias when you see those confirmations and you see what's happening. You just quickly change your bias. I was looking for bias, but it did not play. I would have taken the bias from this area, but anticipating this hourly, but we did not break this support, so we did not close above. So I was not really liking it. I was thinking this was gonna do it, but we just went up and finished way back down. I was not liking that at all. So yep, for those who took the sales, and yeah, EUGP should be flipping up, I think. But yeah, at that level, I just wanted to come one more people, just secure 50%, 80%, and yeah, yeah, yeah. But just thank you for tuning in. Tomorrow, I'm not sure of tomorrow live stream, but I'm just gonna update on the Telegram for so you guys should actually be following Telegram. When I'm not gonna be on live stream, I'm just gonna update on the Telegram and tell you guys if I'm not or going to be. But just keep. If you have any question, drop it on the Telegram. Thank you for tuning in. Just subscribe, like, and share this page. We just keep on sharing the ideas and just find a way to make everyone better and better their ways of trading. So I'll see you guys. I'm not sure of tomorrow, but I'll just drop the Telegram is on the link. Just go to the link of the YouTube, like you see the Telegram there. Just go in. There are a lot of interaction on the Telegram. So many questions are being asked, and signals are also being dropped over there. So an analysis. So you just go there and just yeah, keep feeding yourself with what we drop in there. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow, but just don't overtrade. If you miss this opportunity, just wait for the New York session, and I think it should be good. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Yeah, I think for this level, I'm just going to secure and let's see what happens. We rejected this level, which was not making sense. So let's see. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow or the Telegram. So see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Yeah. Bye, guys.